Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing about text to columns. Text to columns are features in our spreadsheets that allows us to split our text into multiple columns or a single column based on either a fixed width or a delimiter. A fixed width in this case signifies a fixed number of characters. Let's say we have a student number which has alphabet and numerical numbers in it. I would like to split them along this line. Note they have a fixed number of characters of the alphabet DAP. So we would like to split them across that line. So what we have to do first is to highlight the area we want to split, make our way to data on our ribbon, and you see text column here. Now we have to choose a fixed width since it's where we are trying to work with. Next, then we choose the width in which we want and we can say finish. You have seen it has split this data into two. How about working with a delimiter? A delimiter in this case can signify a character or a sequence of character used to separate values in a text. In this case, we'll be working with the delimiter hyphen. The same way we did in our previous example of the fixed width, we have to highlight everything we need here, make our way to data, make our way to text to column. This time we choose a delimiter. We click on next. Now we see tab, we see semicolon, we see space, and we see other. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can as well type in the delimiter you're trying to deal with. Now you click on finish and that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time in our videos.